Atlantis are a leading developer of both tidal power projects as well as tidal turbine systems. The company's headquartered in Edinburgh. Its largest project portfolio is in Scotland. It is a global company, however, and it is currently listed on the London AIM Stock Exchange. We now have quite a substantial portfolio of projects in Scottish territorial waters. The Magen project, of course, is the flagship project. The other shovel-ready project is the Sound of Islay on the west coast of Scotland. But there are 8 projects that now sit under a portfolio company called Tidal Power Scotland, which we believe is probably one of the largest tidal power portfolios in the world.
Well, Magen is a world first. It is 4 turbines situated in the Pentland Firth. It's the first time people have deployed commercial arrays, and that's the key thing here. It's a commercial array. It's a project that's gone past the R&D stage. It's not a demo project. It's a project that will generate revenue, generate electricity for 15, 20 years to come, supplied to the national grid. It is a world first.
This turbine has developed from many, many years of experience within the tidal sector. So I think it's safe to say that Atlantis has formed the world's most experienced tidal energy engineering team since the acquisition of MCT. We also have Lockheed Martin working with us as our design partner. And as a result of all that experience, we have an excellent understanding of the through-life requirements of tidal energy technology.
The Crown Estate have been instrumental in providing the various approvals required to build a portfolio of projects in the way that we have under TPSL.
We have invested £10 million, committed to invest £10 million in the Magen project. That's part of a funding consortium. We're keen to make that work, not just for that project, but so much will be learned from that project and so much will be demonstrated by that project that the intention, it's not a hope, but the intention is that other investors will then be able to come in on the back of that and invest more widely in the sectors.
We receive incredible support from the Scottish Government and specifically Scottish Enterprise.
So the principal role is as funders, but also we're facilitators. We've helped to pull the funding package together and now it's in delivery phase. We are monitoring, making sure there's good access to supply chain and making sure the project delivers maximum for Scotland.
But probably the most important people of all of the supply chain, those that are actually delivering the services and the equipment, and they have come together in a way that we've certainly never seen before to drive a common goal, which is the delivery of hundreds of megawatts of tidal power for the UK.
So for us as a business, we're looking to diversify, and one of the new markets for us is renewables. This project in particular is right in our own doorstep. We're involved with other renewable projects, but this one in particular is within a stone's throw to the Pentland Firth. So it's very, very important to us as a business. It's very important to us as an area. This creates jobs in our area. It'll create jobs in the future, and that's hugely important.
But it's been very important for us to get involved in our supply chain and to help develop them to address the challenges of this sector. We've also taken a very keen interest in ensuring that our technology has a commercial pipeline. So as well as developing the technology, we've been building out projects across the world so that we can be sure that our technology will go on to commercial success.
I'm not passionate about it because it's green. I'm passionate about it because it makes commercial, economic and business sense.
So we can see our way clear now to more than 1 gigawatt of tidal power being installed globally. I think we have over 600 megawatts in our UK portfolio pipeline at present. And these are projects which are technically and economically feasible projects. I think that it's the sort of scale which this industry needs to be looking to achieve over the next couple of years, because this will be like solar and wind 15 years ago. Once the first 500 megawatts is installed, you'll see an absolute boom period for the next 5 to 10 years where a lot of the great sites around the world which are yet to be developed will quickly be developed. So the future for Atlantis is to play a continuing role in the delivery of the first gigawatt of installed tidal power capacity globally.
Tidal energy and wave energy will be successful. That is simply a matter of timing. I believe Scotland will be in the vanguard of both of those forms of energy generation. And I believe we can build an industry in Scotland and that it will produce jobs, supply chain, success and clean blue energy.
Eyes of the world are on the success of the Machen project and the United Kingdom, full stop. So from that perspective, I think it's very, very exciting. The UK can own Tidal, and we are currently in the best position to do that.